Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're going to be making a potato towel. Okay guys, you're probably wondering what a potato towel is. Well, let me show you. So my dad made a wooden frame, and we're going to fill it up with compost, then put the potatoes in. And then we're going to cover it up with compost again. Then when they grow, we're going to do the same thing over and over again. And each time, we're going to put a different board. Because the fourth board is here, so that's how much dirt we're going to put, or compost. Then again, we're going to put a board right on top of it. Then again, then again, then again. Then that's just how high we're going to be doing it. So we're going to be doing this until they just reach the height limit, which is up here. When all of these are done growing, we're going to take it apart, and we're just going to have nice big potatoes. And you never know, the compost may come down like a volcano made out of dirt. Thousands of potatoes will grow in here. They will keep the army strong. So now I'm going to take all of this nice compost and dump it. Okay, done. Now spread it evenly. So now I got more compost, and it's in a wet bucket. Fun. One right there. Another right there. One right there. Okay, right there. And one right there. One right there. One right there. Then we got two more. Right there and right there. Okay, so that's the layout. So we're going to be covering up with compost for the first time. Okay. I'm just going to... Okay. Okay. Okay guys, so that's all we got for today. It was really fun doing it with you guys. So we're gonna be updating it. Updating these when they start growing. We're gonna be putting boards, then compost. Boards, compost, boards, compost. Then I'm just gonna keep doing that until they reach the height limit. So comment down on this video if you think it was fun. If I can do it, you can do it. Never be a doubter. To tell all of your friends about me, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.